Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get free access to over 124,000 stunning free sound effects. If you're a content creator or a video editor and you are finding it difficult to get free sound effects, come closer, watch this video till the end to know how it works, and don't forget to share this video and follow this page for more. This video today will show you the free steps, the step that you can use, the best website that you can use to download free sound effects for any video that you want to edit or you want to make. Totally free. There are a lot of sound effects free for you to download. Watch this video. Welcome back. To get started, connect your phone to the internet, open your web browser and search for zapsplat.com. Here is the website. As you can see, this website has over 124,000 sound effects and over 550 royalty-free music tracks, free for commercial and non-commercial use. If you are finding it difficult to use sound effects on your videos, or when you use sound effects it will tag copyright claim, worry no more. With the help of this website, you can be able to use as many as you can free of charge, for free of charge. And you can do this using your smartphone or your PC. Then when you get to this website, as you can see on this screen, you first of all register, which is normal. You will register. If you are not yet registered, you will choose your username, your email address, and reason why you use this website. Then choose a password, confirm your password. Also, confirm that you are not a robot. Then sign agree and register. Very, very simple. Very, very simple. And remember, when you register on this website, you have access for over 124,274 free sound effects, and you have a high quality MP3 and WAV files. You have simple licensing. You will have access for Pro Sound Fix packs and a royalty free music when you sign up on this website. Remember, it is totally free. It is totally free. Then after signing up, you can then log in. Okay, you can then log in after you must have signed up, confirm your email address, then log in. You have the access to download any sound effect that you want. You have access to download any sound effect that you want. So let's start to register. So I'm signing up. I'm signing up to this website, then choosing a password. They say the password is very, very weak. Then Let's make it somehow strong or medium. It's manageable. Then agree, register. Now I have registered. You are now a free member and can download our free sound effects of this website. So let's try to download free sound effects. Okay, these are the free sound effects. Anemone. On Anemone Station, they have over 268 sounds. Bow, 304. So these are the sound effects: emergency, explosion, fantasy, folly, food and drink, horror. Any kind of sound effects that you want. Any kind of sound effect. Public places, science fiction, sound design, sports. Any one that you want. Any kind of sound effect that you want, you can download it from here. Even hospital, you can download it from here, free of charge. Free of charge. Let's check for airports. See, this is for airports. This is for airports. This is for airports, public places. These are a lot of sound effects that you can download for free. For free. Let's check for sports. A lot of sound effects that you can download using your smartphone or your PC. Thank you for watching. See you next time.